Wish your product photos could talk, model, or even market themselves without you lifting a finger? Well, welcome to the future. In today's episode, I'm going to focus on this AI tool called Topview.AI, which honestly really blew my mind. So, Topview.AI is an AI powered generated tool, which is mainly for content creation. The big feature we're going to talk about today is the product avatar, which is a game changer for product ads. So, stay tuned to find out more. Topview.ai product avatar is designed for small businesses, e-commerce store owners, marketers, and even creators like yourself who wants to create innovative content faster without needing the technical or video skills. So let's say you have a photo of someone holding a game console and you're launching a headphone business, and instead of reshooting it, just upload the photo of headphones. Topview.ai product avatar makes it easier to create your own product ads easily. So as you can see here, you can create the avatars by creating your own avatar, whether you can choose any of the available avatars here. These are not your typical human influencers, but they are actual AI avatars. As you can see here, we have an example of someone holding a game console, and I'm gonna replace it with a headphone, image of a headphone. So now the uploading of the headphone image is taking place. Let's head over to the prompt for the replacing of the game console to the image of the headphone. I'm just gonna replace this prompt to reflect the changes. Right now we're seeing the AI merging process taking place, and voila, we have not just one but three AI generated videos, and you can choose any of those. I'm gonna choose this one, but of course this video does not contain any voiceover, so you will have to do an additional step after this. So now we're heading to the voiceover to include the voice for this avatar. I'm gonna head to the prompt section and include the script. I've already crafted one, and once the script has been included, let's generate and let's check this product ad.
Elevate your style and sound with this premium blue headphones. Fashion meets function perfect for every moment. Get yours today.
Whoa, did you see that? That is so awesome. I can't believe it myself. Now here's where it gets so cooler. You can take a simple headshot and turn it into a talking avatar. No green screen, no camera crew, just upload a photo and a script. To create an AI avatar of yourself, I'm gonna select the image to video. I'm gonna upload a photo of myself. So this is a essential picture of me which I took earlier. Create some kind of action with my photo, maybe putting a pair of sunglasses. As for the quality, I just make it default as pro, and the duration of 10 seconds. So let's generate this. So as you can see here, this is the generated video. Let's take a look how it looks like. Oh, this is so awesome. Looks so cool. All right. So you can download it, or you can just include some of the actions. So what if you want to be the face of your brand without booking a photographer? You can upload your own selfie or your video, and the AI maps your face onto the avatar. So I'm going to show you how to do it. For this example, I've already generated my video of the talking avatar. So you can see clearly the lip movements and the facial expression. Now we're just gonna do maybe a talking avatar of myself. Let's see if we can do something about it. I'm gonna Just type in a random text. And we're going to change the AI voice to Carson, American accent, best for English, confirm. Generate this. I'm just going to stick to the default. Then let's see what comes up. So it looks like the video has been generated, the talking avatar. And
transform yourself into a hot suave guy with a pair of Ray-Bans for all occasions.
oh wow, this is so cool. You can download this, of course, or you can do some further edits. So I'm gonna stick to this. You can look at the pricing plan options for yourself. For starters, we have the free plan, which offers tryouts for the basic features. Of course, there's the watermark outputs, and if you can also look at the starter plan, which is a slightly cheaper option at $19 a month, which covers all the functionalities. But if you're serious about using this for your content creation or even your business, you can look at the pro or business plan. When it comes to using AI tools, you have to bear in mind there's of course pros and cons. Make sure that you check out the terms and conditions. In terms of the platform itself, it's super intuitive and is generally very easy to create a talking avatar or a video just by uploading and include a very simple prompt. Some outputs may need a bit of tweaking, and of course, that includes refining your prompts to ensure that they produce a precise or accurate video output. Like most AI tools, it may not be 100% perfect, but for the price and the time it saves, is a worthwhile investment, especially if you're doing your own product marketing or content creation. So what do you think about Topview.AI product avatar? If you're convinced about using generative AI for your product marketing or content creation, do sign up. I've dropped the link down below. They have different tiers on the price plan. And if you have any questions or you want me to try or test any of the AI tools out there, drop me a comment down below. If this has helped you so far, do give us a like, and you can also subscribe to my channel because it really helps me a lot. I offer a lot of tutorials, videos on guides, and even a podcast called Do What You Love, where you will find out more about the entrepreneur journeys of our friends and aspiring entrepreneurs. So until then, create smarter, not harder. Until then, I'll see you again.